Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get grid references on Google Maps. First, open the Google Maps application on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the specific location you wish to find the coordinates for. Once you have found your spot, simply right-click if you are on a desktop, or long press if you are using a mobile phone or tablet. This action will bring up a small information box with crucial details. After right-clicking or long pressing, a small pop-up window will appear at the top of your screen. Within this box, you will see a pair of numbers. These are your geographic coordinates, presented as latitude and longitude. Latitude indicates how far north or south a point is from the equator, while longitude shows its position east or west of the prime meridian. These numbers are essential for precise location identification. To easily use these coordinates, simply click on the displayed numbers in the pop-up box. This action will automatically copy the full string of numbers to your clipboard. The standard format is decimal degrees, offering a high level of precision, often to 6 or more decimal places. You can then paste these copied coordinates into any document, email, or another mapping application for sharing or further analysis. While Google Maps directly provides latitude and longitude, you might need other grid systems like MGRS or UTM for specific applications. To achieve this, you will need to use a dedicated online coordinate converter. There are many free and reliable web-based tools available that can quickly transform your decimal degree coordinates into various military or universal transverse Mercator grid references, providing flexibility for diverse navigational needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.